How to check Netflix password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check Netflix password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically check your Netflix password, all you have to do is you can't check even if you are logged in on the app. So you might say, I'm logged in on the app but I want to check my current password. Well, that is simply not possible. What you can do is you can definitely reset it if you have access to email or phone, but you can't check it. But there is still a way you can do so from your browser if you are lucky. If you had saved your Netflix account password on your browser, such as let's say you saved them while you were trying to log in, you can simply go to your Google account browser and go to netflix.com, and when you try to sign in over here, you should be able to simply enter and see a list of all the saved password for a Netflix account. So you can simply select a certain Netflix account here. You can choose to send a sign-in code, or you can choose to basically use a password and then just select that particular saved password of that account. And to see that current password, you have to just tap the I button over here. But as I said, this only works if you had saved your password before. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.